Okay, I'm going to change my oil on my Nissan Frontier 1998. It's time for oil change. This is how you do it. You need an oil. You need an oil pan to catch the oil. And then you need a wrench. You need a wrench to screw, unscrew the oil pan nut so the oil come out. And you pull the oil pan here. Oh, I need to get my glasses. I forgot.
You forgot. Always wear glasses when you do high-tech machinery.
I got my glasses. Very important, have glasses.
Okay. Oh, it turned off.
It's okay.
Okay. Put your mouth shut. Oh God! Oh my gosh. Daddy, why are you drinking oil? Daddy, why are you drinking oil?
Everything is fine.
Are you dead?
No.
You look like the Iceman. I'm sorry that you hurt your head. Did you get hurt? I'm sorry that you hurt your head. Is any of this real blood?
Alright, don't do this. Don't do this like this. I need to remake the video. Don't follow me. Not this one. I banged my head under the truck too.
Oh my gosh, I don't want to see again. I don't want to see again.
I'm okay though.
Does your eyes hurt? Don't your eyes hurt? I'm sorry.
It's okay, little kids. Don't worry, calm down. Daddy kind of mess up things.
No, don't be close to me.
It's okay, all good. I mean, I'm good, I'm okay.
Please stop that. Please, don't do it.
Yeah, like my kids are a little upset because they thought Daddy going to do a perfect job, but it was not today.
Are you admitting that you got that? I don't want to get oil.
That was real, and I banged my head too, and I need to go and massage my head with some oil.